And here's why the sound element is so important. We use different types of sounds, special frequencies of 𝐔𝐍𝐃 frequencies, binaural beats, isochronic brainwave tones that work on a cellular level to help you create some calmness and groundedness and centered, and to access that subconscious mind. And 9D breathwork can help with things like anxiety, grief, the self-sabotaging thoughts, or just simply feeling stuck. It releases trapped emotions, it resets your nervous system and creates a space, new energy and beliefs. It's like hitting a big reset button on your mind and emotions.